They call me Rodger Allen. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm a normal speed person. Pretty fast, I guess, but no. I'm here at the Belmont Reading Cinemas, reviewing the Harley Quinn Birds of Prey. It's a long title, but it's accurate. It's pretty good. It's definitely, this is not the worst action movie I've seen in a while, but it did let me down a little bit. There was a few hiccups there, here and there. Reminded me a little of is that one scene from Chicken Run? The fat man making the pies. You'll get that reference if you watch the movie. If you don't, then just leave me a comment and I'll spell it out for you word for word. It's kind of obvious. It was good. It wasn't great. It wasn't as dumb as I thought it would be. It wasn't as on the nose as Charlie's Angels, but pretty close in terms of the... How do I put this? Women are awesome message, which it's not a bad message, but it's little on the nose. Anyway, where to put it? I'm putting it just above Bad Boys for Life. Yeah.